here.
Happy anniversary!
Lisa Lasort, how are you?
I'm so happy to be here on your anniversary.
Well, thank you. You know what? They told me that my anniversary celebration was going to stretch over 3 shows. I'm like, this is an embarrassment of riches.
Is this show number 1?
It is.
All right.
We're going to do more anniversarying, if that's a verb, on Saturday Morning Q.
Okay.
Or Saturday Morning Gifts, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll culminate on Sunday show.
Oh. We'll be there.
And apparently they're digging deep into the archives for some old video clips.
That's always fun.
It's gotta be, well, I don't know. It's not fun for me. All right, so it is a lot of fun looking down memory lane. We're thrilled you're here. Good to see you.
Thank you. Nice to see you too.
Elisa, of course, is a proud member of the Temp-tations team, working right alongside Tara Tesher.
Yeah.
So we're excited to be able to have these for you tonight. And what we're talking about is a set of 2 muffin pans. And these are gorgeous. You got your choice of old world or floral lace, and you get 2 of them. And can I tell you, already 500 of these are gone?
Oh my gosh, David, everybody loves these. Look, they're so different than what we're used to, right? The silicone or the metal that you're used to in the oven, the 12 cup. We wanted to give you a set of 2. Each one has 6 cups. It's just under a cup apiece. But look how different it is. That beautiful figural design right there. So pretty that every natural handle is created, no matter how you pick it up. We also give you that great strap right at the top. So if I want to bring it to the table just like so, there's where you see the beautiful hand painting all the way around, not just on the outside, but on the inside of the dish, beading around old world. I'm roping around old world, beading around floral lace. Brand new color here, David, Poinsettia.
Poinsettia in the muffin tin. We've not done that before.
Never, ever have we done it before. Isn't that gorgeous?
Well, this is amazing. So now you've got this opportunity to enjoy that fantastic muffin design. I love the handle in the middle.
So pretty, right?
This makes it so easy to retrieve.
That's exactly right.
And to serve with. It's just really, really smart. Now, you are going to get a set of 2 of these, and it's going to be a set of 2 of the same color or pattern, whatever
That's
you
correct,
choose, right?
yes.
So this is the brand new Poinsettia.
Yeah.
I have 800 left.
Oh my gosh, okay.
This is Confetti.
I can't believe we have any left.
I can't believe we have Confetti at all. I feel that 100, though, it's not going to last.
Okay.
And if you have other pieces of Confetti, even though your beautiful Halloween has already passed,
It doesn't matter.
you'll only use it for next year. This one is Confetti. Now remember, you're getting a set of 2 of whatever you order. This is green. Here is your red. 400 left in the red. Here's cranberry. I've got it for you in, this one is blue.
That's the eggplant.
Oh, is it? Oh, you're right. That is eggplant, and this is blue.
Yeah.
There we go. 150 eggplant. Here's your blue. Okay. Here's the brown, our color.
Love that.
Here's the brown. 200 left in the brown. Spice. 150 and black.
Wow.
350. Now let's look at floral lace.
Yeah.
I have floral lace pumpkin.
That's so pretty.
Can't believe we have any pumpkin left.
Me either.
This is crazy. You get a set of 2 of whatever you're ordering. Here's your pumpkin. This is fall. How many? 400. This is the blue, our most popular.
So pretty.
Green, 450. Here is your red, available. Here's cranberry. This one is the eggplant. And say it with me.
Chocolate.
Fewer than 200 chocolate. Here it is in the spice, 250. The black. And I've got it for you in light blue. No,
Yes.
this is light blue. 250. And then here's your winter.
Brand new.
Brand new. We've never done this silhouette or these muffin tins or muffin pans, I should say. These are not tins. In winter.
Isn't this so pretty? And that beautiful beading and that snowflake design.
Over 1,000 sets are now gone.
Got it.
6 easy payments on everything. And how are we doing on Confetti? I have 5 dozen left in Confetti. I'm just going to hold on to Confetti since it's going to sell out. And Confetti, remember, you guys, if you want to just remember back to some pieces we offered earlier this fall, has the bats and the spider webs.
Yeah, first time we've ever done this in that beautiful Halloween design.
And it's so cool, fewer than 5 dozen
of
the Confetti left. Okay, so when that's gone, I'll hand that off. What do you want to show first?
Yeah, so again, this is a muffin tin, but it's oven safe to 500 degrees. It's microwave safe and the perfect size for a microwave, by the way.
Yeah.
Refrigerator safe, freezer safe. Look how easy it is to grab this out of the oven, right? Even though I've other things in the oven, I literally just hold it from the top, right? Nice and easy. This is why it's so great, because it not only is it great to bake in, it's so pretty to serve in.
Well, and you've done bacon mac and cheese, haven't
Well,
you?
so who could ever argue with that? Because we call it a muffin pan, and we're baking mac and cheese in
Well,
it.
no one's arguing, and I'm also snitching a piece of bacon.
Oh, absolutely.
All right.
So look at this. Now,
Because this won't burn my face off.
you're getting a set of 2. This is what's great portion control, just under a cup apiece. So when you think about it, maybe a serving is 2 of these. Maybe for us, it's the whole thing.
Buffetti just sold out.
Got it.
No. Let me grab Buffetti. And then we're going back to that mac and cheese. All right. Or as I like to say, hashtag cheese and thank you.
Oh, exactly. Yeah. I love that. Well, so David, I love the fact because you're getting 2. You do the mac and cheese in one, and then look how cute this is down here.
Meatloaves with a mashed potato lid.
These are Snowman meatloafs.
I love it.
Look how adorable
so
this is. So this is great for a few things. Of course, great for your muffins, but portion control, and then anything mini.
This portion control you speak of, what is that?
I don't know. It's something that I've heard of. I don't like to really abide by it. Do you?
I read about it in a book. I don't know.
This is how you get away with portion control. You make big fat snowmen.
I like it.
You like that?
Hey,
Right.
2,000 of these are gone now. What's next?
Got it. How about this? How about doing your muffins? Why stoneware? Because it's naturally non-stick, right? So it's going to pull right out of there. But look right here. This is what we love. Even heating on the bottom. So it's not that metal where it's going to buckle in the oven. No, this is just perfect. Just like Grandma used to make. Love that.
So good.
How's that mac and cheese, by the way?
Well, I'm just nibbling on the bacon.
Yeah, okay.
And that doesn't hurt my feelings either.
It's good, right? Uh-huh. How about this? Doing a baked potato
Now,
bar.
see, I thought this was clever.
Yeah, this is so cute. So again, because you're getting both, 6 cups over here, and then you're going to get 6 cups in the other, but bake your potatoes in the oven.
Oh, you know what you can do in the second one?
What?
Oh, your toppings.
Oh,
Oh, is that what you're going to
sorry.
get?
Really?
I promise I didn't plan that.
He's a soothsayer. I love that.
You know what I am? I'm a bacon eater is what I am.
I love that.
All right.
So you can do it hot, you can do it cold, but this isn't only about baking, this is about presentation on your table.
Okay. Color, sadly, I have to step away from the bacon.
Got
All
it. You want me to go get it for you?
2,200. It's all right, I'll go back. 2,700? 2,200 gone. In the poinsettia, I have 600 left.
Okay, got it.
You're getting 2 of whatever pattern color you order. This is confetti. 400 left in the confetti. Green, red, 350, cranberry, available. Eggplant, 120, blue, available. Here's your brown, 150. Spice, 100 left in the spice.
Wow.
Here's your black, fewer than 300. Now down to our floral lace. This is pumpkin. This is fall.
Pretty, right?
Yeah, very pretty. Blue, our most popular. Here's your green, 400 left in the green. Here's red, cranberry. This is eggplant and chocolate. 175 in the chocolate. Here is your spice, 250, black, light blue, 220, and closest to Lisa is the brand new winter.
I love these brand new seasonal colors. And again, at this late date, you know we can't get them back anymore before
Exactly.
Christmas.
They're not coming back before Christmas. 2,500 of these are now gone.
David, can I talk about doing this as a gift? Because I
Perfect.
love breaking this apart into 2 separate gifts. Maybe you're known for your gifting, for your baking, but how about this? You can put your Mrs. Printables right in here. 6 of them fit perfectly in. Wrap it in cellophane with a bow. Here's gift number 1. Gift number 2, I'm known for my apple muffins. Perfect. Pop them right in here, bake them, and then bring them to wherever your destination is. How awesome is that? How awesome is that mac and cheese?
I thought I was going to try it.
Oh.
Since I've been eating all the bacon, I thought I should try the mac and cheese too. You know, I have a new hashtag for mac and cheese.
And what's that?
Hashtag cheese and thank you.
I like that.
Uh-huh.
I like that very much. I also like this because it's now you can come up, you can serve yourself, so you can put this out on buffets. It's just perfect on your table, whether it's sweet
Boy,
or
is that
whether
nice.
it's savory.
Isn't that lovely?
Isn't that great? Yeah. And I have some frittatas in the oven that I want to show you, okay?
We're actually all out of time, my darling.
We are.
If you want to grab them real quickly.
Sure. Hi.
Hi, darling.
Look at that.
Well, and the reason you can grab it so quickly is because it has a handle.
Yeah, you see that? Right out of the oven.
Look at that.
So pretty. Bring it right to the table. You don't want this.
3,000 of these are gone. All right, I'm going to go and finish up my spaghetti pie.
Want some mac and cheese to go?
I'll come back for it.
Okay.
Because Stacy's going to give me a little break after I do my recipe step.
Happy
Because it's a
anniversary.
long show. Thank you, Angel.
Oh, nice to
Appreciate
see
you.
you.
You too, Angel. See you soon. All right, we're making my spaghetti pie tonight, and we made earlier the spaghetti mixture and the ricotta. Now we're going to put together our meat marinara.